What's up guys, Lon here from Android Authority, and I'm here at MWC 2019 where BlackBerry just announced the BlackBerry KEY2 Red Edition. This is the same exact BlackBerry KEY2 that you know and love, but there are a couple of differences with this version. One, it comes with double the storage, so it has 128 gigabytes of storage over the 64 gigs that's on the original model. And the second difference is obviously the color. It comes in this really awesome looking red colorway, and it's a metallic red, and it's really bright, really vibrant, and I dig it. It looks awesome. It's a really nice shade of red, but other than that, it's pretty much the same exact BlackBerry KEY2 as the original model. It has the same specs, the same screen, the same camera, the same battery, pretty much the same everything. It just now comes in this really awesome looking red color. Now, this new Red Edition BlackBerry KEY2 will be a little bit more expensive. It's going to cost you $750 for this particular model. So if you thought the original BlackBerry KEY2 was expensive, this one's even more expensive. And the only thing you're really gaining here is a new flashy red color and more internal storage. So that's really it for the BlackBerry KEY2 Red Edition. What do you guys think about it? Do you think the new color is worth it? Do you think it's worth that extra price? Let us know down in the comment section below. And as always, keep it tuned here to Android Authority. There's more MWC 2019 coverage to come.